I was sent Seamoss liquid drops, and you actually get 2 of them. This is what it looks like. So very, very dark colored. You're probably seeing the chlorophyll in there. It also has ashwagandha in it, moringa, black seed oil, turmeric, black pepper. It says to take 2 pumps. So this is my first time taste testing it. I'm not always a huge fan of Seamoss, so let's see what happens. Okay, it has a pretty pleasant taste, a little bit of a bitter aftertaste, but not bad. I'm actually a little bit under the weather right now, so that could mean that my taste buds are off, but also it can mean that my body really, really needs this because there is some immunity support in it, which I'm really excited about. Also helps with detoxifying your body. It helps with your hair, skin, and nails, which I'm really into. So easy to take. You can also add it into a smoothie or something like that if you don't want to take it straight, but great way to get the nutrients into your body. And Seamoss is also just really, really good for you in general as well.